everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will share to you our day 1 in Marmaris, and I will share to you how did we get our first booking of activity and how did we do it for less the real amount of what you can get from the other travel agency. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. You want to go to the sunbed now? This is our first breakfast in Marmaris.
I'm gonna go get Amy's breakfast first. Yeah.
So of course, there should be an English breakfast. So the selection of food consists of cereals. The kids has their own buffet table, and there are lots of bread, pastries, desserts, and then drinks such as coffee. After breakfast, because we don't have the itinerary yet, we are heading to the beach, and now we're walking only because our hotel is just like 15 minutes away. So as you can see, they have a bike lane and you can rent a lot of things here like bike, scooter, and trike. So if you are not a fan of walking, you have ways to travel. And then, so on this way, we are heading right, going to the other side of the beach. So this is how it looks like because it's still considered as an off season. It looks like they are still repairing things and there are less tourists. So for me, it's nice because you can roam around, you can walk without the other people so close to you. So on this, we don't know what we are expecting, and for now, we are really looking for the travel agent on how we will get a activity. Only one?
One, okay.
Because he will just mess with it. He will give it to us. Sauce
Is
lang.
that ketchup, mayonnaise, chili sauce? Which one?
Ano? It's alright then.
What sauce, Gustav?
What's your name? Gustav. Nice to meet you, Gustav. Allah, Allah. Come on, Gustav.
Get your ice cream.
Eyvallah. Come on.
There you go.
Oi, can I get one?
That is yours also. You get that. So this is the first travel agent that we saw. There's a lot on that side of the beach. So the plan is just to walk as long as we can, and we will go back to the hotel at 12:30 because that is the lunch buffet. So we needed to go by that range, 12:30 to 2:30, and we will collect every pamphlet that we can get from the travel agent. So yeah, look at me now. A lot of clapping video of us because that will be our transition video with TikTok. And just a tip, we brought a tripod with us. We bought it in Asda for 10 pounds before. I don't know how much now, but that is a lot of savings for us because we don't need anyone to take a photo of us. We can take it on our own. We can do whatever angle of photos we wanted.
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same.
There's a lot of shops also along the side of the beach and on the road, and they sell a lot of bags and shirts. And we are now heading to the hotel. We are surprised about the selection of the lunch buffet. It's a lot.
Dad, I need a
So, good luck for the gaining of weight. We really needed to burn it. What do you want now? What's nice with the hotel is they have a lot of activities in the morning and in the afternoon, and there's also a Zumba, and also after dinner there's a lot of ranges of activities they have for the tourists. So after lunch we just decided to roam around the pool and test the water and the kids to have fun. So there are ranges of time where they offer the activities and also the free food. So on this time, you can get the free snacks, which is consisting of fries, burger, pizza, sandwiches, free drinks also like water, juices, coffee, hot chocolate, but you can only eat that here, around here. And there's also a time for the ice cream. It's not always available all throughout the day. The staffs here are very friendly. Everyone talks to you. Even if you go outside, everyone on the shop goes out and talk to you, encourage you to go on their shop. So I think that's for them to get a sale.
And chips, please. With the chips as well, no chips? No, chips like fries. There's no answer, Gustav.
Da 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 dance.
Lunch.
So with the TV, you can only get a news channel, and we didn't saw that until after 3 days that you can pay for the channel so you can have at least movies, but there's no Netflix. Movies, cartoons, so we pay like £10 for 1 week. And because we have kids, we can't stay outside after dinner to drink or to party because the kids go to sleep early. So we thought of, yeah, we needed the TV after dinner. I brought some books for Gustav, the one that he can draw with stickers, like activity book
Gustav,
for him to do something
don't push
here, but he
anymore.
didn't try
You'll
to
pick it,
do it.
don't push anymore.
He just play around
Stop
here.
pushing,
Even
Gustav.
the cars that we brought, he didn't play with it. We still ended up buying a car and a truck here. So for the tip, there's a lot of cheap floaters in B&M, the range. You need to buy there rather than paying here because it will be expensive. So it's better to spend that on other activity. Dinner time! As you can see, it looks like early because it doesn't go dark here until 8:30 p.m. So we had the dinner at 6:30 p.m. So we are not decided yet of what we will do tomorrow. But we got a lot of pamphlets now from the travel agency, and every activity is like 40 each with food. That's the island hopping and or boating. But we saw one that gave us £70 for two activities, the lazy day and the jeep safari. So that counts for like £35. Two adults and two kids with food each activity, so that is really cheap. Because normally they offer £30 or £35 each activity. So £35 per adult. So we got really a savings on that travel agent. So I think I'm gonna cut the video now here for the first day, and you watch out for our other activities and adventures. So yeah, if you are not subscribed yet, kindly please subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be notified if there's another upload from us. So see you and have a great holiday.